Welcome to MobiCapture channel. Is your tech drawer a graveyard of old gadgets? You're not alone. But what if our love for tech could actually help the planet today? We're diving into the world of eco-friendly gadgets that are genuinely making a difference. And we'll show you how to spot the real deal from the fakes. Let's start by cutting through the noise. The term eco-friendly gets thrown around a lot, but what does it actually mean? It's a practice called greenwashing. And it misleads about half of all consumers. True sustainability isn't just about a recycled box. It's about the entire life cycle of a product. From the moment raw materials are mined to how it's disposed of. This life cycle is critical, as it determines a staggering 80% of a product's total environmental impact. We live in an era of fast tech, where new models are pushed out every year. This has a hidden cost. 75% of all electronic waste comes from these short product lifespans. The most sustainable gadget is the one you already own, and the next best thing is one built to last. This brings us to a game changer, the longevity revolution. Imagine a phone you can upgrade and repair yourself. That's the reality with modular smartphones like the Fairphone. These devices are designed to be taken apart, with individual components that can be easily replaced. This simple idea can extend a device's lifespan by 50% or more. It's not just phones. We're seeing a rise in repairable laptops and tablets from brands that are finally getting it right. This shift is being supercharged by new regulations, like the Use Eco-Design for Sustainable Products regulation, which mandates that products be more durable, reusable, and repairable. This is where the right to repair movement becomes so important. Having access to parts, tools, and manuals is a fundamental right that could slash our annual waste by 20%. There are amazing online resources and communities dedicated to DIY repairs, empowering us to fix our own tech instead of throwing it away. Now, let's talk about power. How can we charge our devices without relying on the grid? The answer is shining right above us. The latest portable solar chargers are more powerful and efficient than ever. We're talking about new designs with bifacial panels that capture sunlight from both sides and higher wattage outputs that can charge your laptop, not just your phone. I've been testing a few, and the advancements are truly impressive. At home, smart energy monitors can completely change how you use electricity. These devices track your consumption in real time, helping you identify energy vampires and optimize your usage. They can even integrate seamlessly with renewable sources like rooftop solar panels, making your home a self-sufficient energy hub. But what if we could eliminate batteries altogether? We're seeing incredible innovation in kinetic and self-powered devices. Imagine a smartwatch that runs on the motion of your body or sensors that charge themselves from ambient energy. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of personal tech. The materials used in our gadgets also have a huge environmental footprint. But some companies are turning a massive problem into a solution. I'm talking about ocean plastic. Brands are now transforming harmful marine debris into high-quality, durable tech accessories. We've tested phone cases, laptop sleeves, and even headphones made from recycled ocean plastics, and their performance is on par with, and sometimes even better than, traditional materials. These aren't just token gestures. The best brands are deeply committed to the circular economy. They actively participate in ocean cleanup initiatives, fund research, and build their entire business model around using recovered materials. By supporting them, we're not just buying a product, we're funding a cleaner ocean and a more sustainable supply chain. So, how can we build this sustainable tech future together? It starts with the devices you already have. Simple software tweaks, regular maintenance, and strategic upgrades can dramatically extend the life of your gadgets and help you resist the temptation of premature upgrades when it's finally time to say goodbye to an old device. Ethical disposal is key. Look for certified e-waste recycling programs in your area. These services ensure that valuable materials are recovered and harmful substances are disposed of safely, rather than ending up in a landfill. Finally, it comes down to us, as consumers. Our choices send a powerful message. Let's make a conscious effort to support companies that are genuinely committed to sustainability. Let's demand more from the tech giants: more transparency in their supply chains, more repairable products, and a real commitment to circular design. Together, we can push the industry towards a greener, more responsible future. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of technology.